In this quick video, I'm going to show you that how you can install and run Kali Linux, specifically Kali NetHunter, on your Android phone. So let's get started. Okay, so the first essential step of installing Kali NetHunter on our phone is to download an app called Termux, which basically provides us with the Linux environment on Android. Termux is now officially installed on our Android phone, meaning that we can now move on with downloading and installing Kali NetHunter on it. But before we do that, there are a couple of things we need to do first, and one of those things is typing in the apt update command to update the references of the app. Once done, type in apt apptrin to upgrade the software. And done. Now let's type in apt update once again to make sure that all the references are good to go. Next, we need to install a tool called wget, which will facilitate us in downloading the Kali NetHunter files from the internet. So type in apt install wget like this to install it. And once installed, we can proceed with the following command to download Kali NetHunter from the official source. After it is done downloading, type in the following commands to install it. Now this installation might take a bit of time, so leave your phone plugged into a charger somewhere and roll a joint or something. But once installed, you'll receive a prompt like this asking you that whether you want to delete the downloaded rootfs files or not. Simply type N for no and hit enter to continue. Okay, so Kali NetHunter should now be installed on our phone. And from here, we can simply type in NetHunter to start Kali's command line interface and basically start using most of the tools like Nmap or Metasploit, which are designed to be used in a terminal environment. But as we're looking to do a GUI install, the next step involves setting up and configuring a component of Kali NetHunter called Kex, which will basically allow us to run Kali Linux through a VNC connection. So the first step of configuring Kex was to set up a password for our VNC connection. And to do it, type in NetHunter /Kex password like this and hit enter. Now set an easy to remember password and hit enter once again to continue. Next, it will ask you if you want to set a view-only password. The choice is yours, but I'm going to hit N for no and continue. Now what I want you to do next is go to the official Kali NetHunter's website and download this app called NetHunter Store. Once downloaded, open it and install it. When installed, open it and tap on the search icon at the bottom left of the screen, then search for NetHunter Kex like this. And once the Kex VNC app pops up, tap on it and install it. When the NetHunter Kex app is installed, open it and allow it to access the storage of your Android device. Next, open up the Termux app once again and type in NetHunter Hex to run it. Once done, go back to the NetHunter Kex app and specify the password that we kept for our VNC connection earlier, and click on Connect. So there you go, we have successfully installed Kali Linux on our Android device. If you have any questions regarding the video, make sure to ask them in the comments section down below, and I will see you in the next one.